how to search product by camera or image in Amazon app. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to search for products using a camera or an image on the Amazon app. This feature is a great way to find exactly what you're looking for without typing anything. First things first, you can open Amazon app or you can go to Amazon website. Now, once you're in the app, look for the search bar at the top of the screen, right inside the search bar. Tap on it. Here you'll see a small camera section or the camera icon. Tap on that to start searching by image. When you tap the camera icon, you'll be given two options, that is scan it or gallery. If you want to take a photo of something, choose scan it. If you already have a photo or image saved in your phone, select gallery. And that's it. That's how you simply use your camera to search for products in Amazon app.